Son of a bitch. And, yeah. Basically, every time I wake up in the morning, I'd have about 10 spiders in my room.
Oh shit.
Yeah. Okay.
I am repaired.
I'm just gonna teleport probably to you when I revive, because they're still too strong for me.
I have no control now.
I got booties.
I have no control
Yeah, I had.
now.
Apparently, there were spider nests in my room. It's very not fun.
Hey, goblin.
Hey, go blind.
Yeah, so. Did you kill the goblin?
I did.
Hello!
Such loot!
I'm accustomed to that.
Oh my god!
Jesus! No! Oh, it teleports! I think I revived you. There's no treasure at all!
Did I pick it all up? What? Okay, that's weird.
I've been lost! Spiders! There's worms! Gold!
Ah!
Jesus! Go away!
Ah!
Oh no! It's half of a body and it's killing me.
Hopefully you are enjoying
Yeah, I'll
the
show you.
humor right now.
Ancients, go! Look at them go. Kill me. Kill.
Run away!
You guys okay?
Yeah.
No.
Brett apparently does
I'm
not.
still waiting.
Hey, let's go.
Okay. Oh, they didn't kill the spider. Oh no.
I feel more powerful.
I'm level 69. Oh no.
What's the matter, Brett?
Spiders.
Are they still
Go.
following you?
They never stopped. Oh, jeez. I think they stopped. No!
Oh my god!
Paid off.
Oh, spiders everywhere. Fight him! He looks like Jared Leto. Kill him!
No!
Jesus, you have ranged attacks.
But I'm also
Such a
faster.
Babby. I grow weak. Oh, God, I should name them. The half-bodied person is going to be Clarence, and the spider will be Mary.
Man, that's
Mary,
fucked up. My mama.
why do you try to be so? Oh no! I think Mary's boyfriend just showed up. He throws spears.
I have no control.
His name's Tom.
now.
Tom, why? Tom killed me.
Poopy, poopy, poopy.
Just the random screams.
From me.
Oh, Tom's twin brother.
Okay, you can teleport to me. Teleport to me and you'll be safe.
Yeah, that's what you said last time. I died.
No! Puppy!
Okay, my minions will kill Tom's twin brother. No, I have teleport. Alright.
Mother of pearl, that hurt.
Hello.
All you gotta do is click the door.
Hello.
Hey!
Jesus.
Oh! Apparently I had a green unidentified bow.
Green?
Oh.
That's a set piece.
I've become stronger.
I don't.
Set pieces are kind of rare.
I've reached level 70.
Congratulations.
I have something called a Paragon point.
Yeah, that's what you get for leveling after level 70.
I could get accustomed to that.
Hey Brent, wanna go exploring?
I found another sword. Better than my current. Dude.
Uh-oh.
Most things you find now will be better than what you have because you're at the highest level.
Yeah, I think this whole section of the stream is gonna be a highlight. Oh god, why?
I've died. My items have lost 10% durability. Well, isn't that nice?
Let me repair. I'm an idiot.
I like when I can press the number 4 and everything on my screen dies.
I have friends that come help me. The Rift Guardian has found me!
Is it near you guys?
It depends. Is it a spooky... Is it named Exarch? No, because there's many of them. Oh, Jesus. Get it away from me. I died.
I teleported in at the
My
wrong
items have
time.
lost 10% durability. Oh no. Alright.
Okay, where is this Rift Guardian?
I wish I knew. But he sure is not happy with me.
Need more time.
I would assume he's somewhere down here
I've become stronger.
where I left off. Oh, found him somewhere. There he is.
Teleport to you.
Yes.
Why are you covered in a bunch of shit, Will?
It's some of the stuff I spec'd into. Ooh!
I found a legendary. This X-Ben, nope. Nope. It is a legendary amulet.
Let me look at my map, see if there's any... Alright. Now we go back to town, Toph.
Yes.
Okie dokie. Oh my god! Run, Brett, run!
We cut! Let's go! Oh, Jesus.
Yeah.
I need to go back.
I am greatly hurt. Oh. I did it.
You're the best.
Only me.
Greater Riftstone.
No one's help. Me.
You're the best.
Alright!
Yeah, I am. This has been, I'm sure for the viewers, the most exciting.
No, I will not do that.
Where's the last vendor at that I need to upgrade at? Is he over? Yeah, he is right here.
I've got some new items you might need. Your skills.
No.
I've become stronger.
I don't
What are you looking
know.
at?
I'm trying to find the other vendor that I need to upgrade at.
Oh, like the jewel crafting or whatever?
Yeah, I've upgraded two of them. I
There's,
just
there's the gem
here it
person
is.
here.
actually no. She's already
Not that one?
upgraded. Yeah, she's upgraded
There's
right now.
this one then.
Oh, then I think I've done all three then. I'm an idiot. My bad.
Vince, don't be so hard on yourself. I have made my weapon look like a giant mallet.
Woohoo! That was awesome. Where to now, senor?
I guess we can keep doing rifts, and you guys can get some gear,
Alright.
or we can do bounties. If we do bounties, you get loot, great things.
What would be better?
Well, you get one piece of gear for each bounty crate.
Alright, I guess we can do bounties for right now, then go back to doing rifts.
Give me a second, please.
Let's see here. The bonus crate is in Act 4.
Salvaging some stuff real quick and I'll head to you.
I don't suggest it because I am not killing a single thing.
How many?
Got some new goods. Better buy them before someone else does.
I hit accept on that. Was I not supposed to?
No, you can.
Okay.
Get some achievements for it.
Alright, cool.
You guys shouldn't die very easily.
Famous last words. I have a giant mallet. Let's go, bitch. All by myself, I did it.
Okay, we'll say that you did it, Brett.
The help of none. Come aboard my back so that I may carry thee.
Oh my god!
I will res you. I will not res you.
Everything is gray and poopy.
I'll res you here.
Alright.
I'll definitely res you before.
I can hear Storm Diablo looks like that.
There you go.
Yes, I did it.
Ah! I totally just ran around and died the whole time, but I did stuff.
Achievement spam.
That was cool.
Yeah, now you go back to base.
I need to go back.
Pick what other bounty you want to do.